to get Auntie's attention. All these littles are in 111. Hey, what's up? Who likes this? Oh, I can't even see you barely. Hey. Oh, look at you. Oh, I know, I see you. Oops. Hold on a second. Oh, he's going to go bye-bye if I don't put him away. You got a funky hairdo. Who did that to you? Got like a mohawk going on the side. Two little pom-poms on the feet and the tail. I didn't recognize you, buddy. Hi. Super, super friendly, though. Hi, baby. Just got this guy here shivering in his shorts. Hi, buddy. My sweetheart. Hey, everybody calm down. Then there's one back there. Super scared. Papas! Hi, baby. This a good boy? Yes, this a good boy. And then there's a little puppy over here. He's also scared. He just, hey, excuse you. It's not all about you, Mr. Mohawk. Here, take it. Come get this guy. And then there's a little puppy down here. Oh, look, he wants the little baby. Hi, honey. I feel bad for this guy back in the back. Puppy! Look at this Jack Russell, it's so cute. Hi, everybody wants the squishy. I love your end bite. Hi, buddy. Oh, what? Oh, he's over here trying to get my attention. I am sorry. Okay, there's not enough light to see you, baby. There you are. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're so playful. Okay, I gotta go, okay, baby? Okay, baby boy? Look, up here.